Guys, I couldn't resist. This is literally how I'm feeling. I am overly excited. This is my favorite one, the scene from Monty Python, about the release of the new PBN poster. It's not called the PBN poster anymore. It's now called PublisHUB. But seriously, guys, we've completely overhauled the entire PBN poster from the ground up. We're calling it now PublisHUB. And that's because that's exactly what it is. It's a publishing hub with absolute control over every element of your post. So let's just show you. We've also redesigned the way it looks, made it a little bit more intuitive, I hope. And we've put all the settings up here. Right, so all the normal stuff, paragraph, H tags, that's all here. HTML view. I'm not going to actually show you how to use each one. I'm going to keep this short and sweet and just show you the overview of what is now the PublisHUB, right? And this is where you need to be completely doing all of your WordPress publishing. If you're not, I've got to say, you're crazy a little bit, or I know you're probably busy doing stuff, but I'm not interested. If you're busy, then take 5 minutes, put this into your routine, and then post to everything with total customization. Okay, seriously, you can now do this with PublisHUB and both PBN and money sites, and I'm going to get into exact in-depth training on each module, how to add them next. Right now, just overview of what's new and how it looks. Okay, so we have all the controls here. When it comes to publishing, it's all here. So auto spin, I'll show you exactly how to use that in another video. But what it does is it shows you, it allows you to auto post and spin as many times as you want, and post over a period of a month, and have all your posts just ready to go. And over the course of the month, they'll be publishing. Okay, so we've gotten rid of the publish from settings because we've just abolished it. There's no need for it. It's the same thing twice. We've duplicated the work and made it a little bit more confusing there. So what it used to be, just to explain, is it used to be that to post to your PBNs in this profile, connected to this profile, your WordPress.coms and so on, because you want to keep with the proxies and the IPs and everything, right? You had to be in the actual project, but not anymore. Now you can actually post via the PBN vault. That's what this is for here. This is the vault where all of your sites hang out, and you just click on the one you want to post. You can post to multiple ones all at once, all from separate IPs, proxies, cache, and so on and so forth, just like we're used to with BrowSEO. Okay, so we got rid of that, so now you can do it all from here. So we've just got the publish button, right? So you just need to open it up, click whichever one you want to click, whichever one you want to click. Here's a demo folder, and that's it. Okay, so, and then this is the settings. It shows you as it's going through uploading imaging, uploading categories, tags, featured image, excerpt, and post, and so on. So you'll see along the whole line where it's going, what it's doing, and if it does get stuck, where it got stuck. So chances are it won't, as long as you keep to making sure that you've set them up correctly, and I'll show you how to do that in another video. Okay, so all this is new, in case you haven't noticed. This is totally new. You can customize the dates in the future, in the past. If you don't do that, it'll automatically post based on your proxy time. So you can send out the post now, and it'll actually get posted over the course of the day at different time zones with the different proxy times. Okay, so this is also new, totally new. You've got the categories. If you have the categories set up, then you just type the category in here, and it will post to that category. And if it's not set up, you just type whatever you want to type in here, and it'll create that category. Tag self-explanatory, just tags, comma separated values. Here is your featured image. You just click that, add as usual, any image as you normally would, and then you can clear it if you're doing multiple posts, in between posts, and then the excerpt, which has multiple uses depending on how you want to use your excerpt on your WordPress sites. Okay, now just very quickly, here is where we're posting from now, all from here, and to move them around is literally just drag and drop. So you don't have to worry about taking them in and out. It's all drag and drop now. BrowSEO makes life much, much easier. And this is the PBN vault, right? So if you want to post to multiple, you can click on however many you want, put your spun content in here, and it'll just go ahead and just send it out to each one once. The money vault, you can also post to your money sites. I mean, it's the same thing in essence. And because we now have the customizations that you have, you've got to be crazy again not to be posting from BrowSEO. I mean, unless you've got some other amazing system. But this system will also monitor all of your anchor texts and your outbound links, and make sure that you're never going to over optimize your sites automatically. So you just put it into the money vault, put it into the PBN vault, never do anything else except post, and BrowSEO will take care of your backlink history. And it'll give you the overview here. You can also add if you want to keep history. If you have links in CSV that you want to just make sure to add them all here, so you can add them to the history. And then you can view the chart, and you can see exactly where you're over optimized, where you need to, under optimize, or if you're doing a post, you want to make sure that you haven't already targeted that exact keyword. So you just make sure, quickly check the anchor text, check the pie diagram, check for that keyword. No, awesome. No over optimization. No more messing with all that craziness of Excel and text files and nonsense like that. Okay, so just post from WordPress, post to WordPress, post from the vault. Make sure to set them up. I'll show you in trainings exactly how to do that. But in the meantime, this is what you have. And you've got to start using it, because it's going to change the way you do everything when it comes to WordPress and posting, because you can then take your RSS feeds and, and I'm going to do training on this and put them in Cindwire and set up all these different if this then that networks and whatever else you want to do with them. So that is the quick overview of what is now in PublisHUB, which was previously the PBN poster. And next, I'm going to go into little individual trainings on showing exactly how to add them and how to use all these wonderful new little features that we have. All right, guys, see you in the next video and in the group. And also, let me know what you think below. If there's anything else you think we should add in, I'm always, as you know, willing to listen and hear. And if it's good and we all agree, we'll stick it in there. Okay, guys, see you in the group.